Hello, now that we got a ball bouncing around a screen and we got a rectangle that moves back and forth, let's try to see if the ball will bounce off the rectangle. Now I've seen probably 3 or 4 different ways that you can code this, but there's one way that's really easy. Doesn't work all the time, but what we want to do is just say if one thing collides with the rectangle of another thing, have it do something else. So we'll do this right after we draw the, the circle and the rectangle. Let's check and see if they are in collision with each other. So we'll say if circle dot collide rect rect. Now this is confusing, and this is probably my fault for naming this rect. I should have called it anything else, maybe paddle or something. If it was paddle, this here would also be paddle, but this would be collide rect. Collide rect is just the term you use, even if this is paddle. Uh, so it's saying if the circle is colliding with the rectangle of this shape, rect, then we want to do something. What do we want to do? We want to switch the direction of y. So y velocity is equal to negative y velocity. And when we do that, hopefully this works. Let's see how it goes. And I moved the FPS up to 60, so it moves a little faster than 30. Then it looks like this is working. And if I don't get it, it still bounces off the bottom because we don't have any like game over feature or anything. And that's our little basic Pong game. All right. Uh, Now we need to figure out what happens when it hits the backside.